Hi everybody, today we're working on a 2007 Toyota Tacoma with a 2.7 liter. The customer replaced his own thermostat and gasket, lower radiator hose clamps, and he had a coolant leak at the lower radiator hose connection. And he's taken it apart several times, so he came to ask me for help. I'll show you what I found out. The first thing I saw is the clamp where it has this little tab here that locks it. Well, this piece back here was there, so the clamp didn't have any load on the hose. Okay, so the second thing I saw, and we'll get some light down here for you to put on their area too, is all that staining of the pink coolant everywhere. So obviously it had a leak. And the hose looks new, and inside of it looks new. So after I took the hose off, I could see the housing has all this debris built up on the outside of it, and I'll scrape some off to show you. So that's no good at all. You can't leave that on there because the hose will leak for sure. Next, when you change the thermostat, if you look at the factory manual, it shows a picture, and here's the bottom of the engine, towards the bottom, and this going towards the cylinder head. And then it has this little jiggle valve. It's supposed to face upwards 10 degrees either way. Well, it was facing directly down towards the bottom, so that's not correct. So we're going to put a new thermostat in it, or maybe just a seal. He says he just changed it. We'll definitely put a new gasket here. We're going to get a new clamp. I don't even think that's the correct clamp for this vehicle. And then we're going to clean this housing up. If I'm not satisfied how it cleans up, because it's kind of pitted inside of here, I'm going to get him a new housing and then put it back together. And then we'll fill it full of coolant again and check it out. So that way you can see what's going on with cars, why you got to be so careful. You can't leave all this stuff on vehicles, and that's why he kept having an ongoing problem. So the rule of thumb is take everything apart, look at it closely, clean it, and make sure it doesn't have any degrees, humps. Take a little flathead screwdriver, go on the side to side on there, clean things up, look at things real closely, look at online forums. There's all kinds of stuff online. You can type in thermostat insulation. It'll show you which way that jiggle valve faces. You don't have to necessarily have a factory manual. Thank you very much. Have a great day.